An important part in the collection are the optical toys, showing all kinds of optical devices, from magic lanterns to zoetropes, praxinoscopes, peep shows, phenakistoscopes, thaumatropes, and also some early cameras. This is a peep show showing the first German railway. This is a projector, a magic lantern made by Planck, and another very rare made by Carrette. Most of these optical toys are not on display. A Royal Mail, here's another view of the fourth floor. And here's a copy of the zoetrope that can be used by our visitors, and a specially designed table with children's pictures. Here we show different kinds of paper theaters, including an armor for a boy, dating back to 1910. Theaters are made in Germany and in France. This wall frame shows more of the German flats, including the original boxes. This is the French-German War in 1870-71. This is a case for a kite made by Steiff, and in this case we have some fortresses made of wood, probably of German make. And in this case we have guns and war toys, cannons of all kinds. In the middle is a very well made coastal gun made by Marklin. Another Marklin cannon. An American tank. And also an American cannon. The tank is made in Britain. Here's a detail of the Marklin coastal gun. These soldiers were made in Germany for the Swedish market, and they are made of kind of plaster. At the bottom there are Red Indians and cowboys by the same manufacturer. And here's another set made of tin plate, and the figures are made of bisque china. The manufacturer was Hauser in Ludwigsburg, Germany. A rare Boy Scout by the same manufacturer. This is a young Victor Plunke riding a Swedish rocking horse together with his mother. We also have figures and soldiers made of paper. And this scenery shows Livingstone and Stanley in Africa. And this set is American, made by McLaughlin Brothers in New York. And the set in the center are from the Crimean War in the 1850s. This is a young Victor Plunke trying a school bench of German manufacture about 1880. It's made of cast iron and wood. And here's a detail of a Heinrichsen set of German flats.